everyone, and welcome back to the Military Update channel. F-16 fighter jet, the sky's ultimate predator. The Lockheed Martin F-16 Fighting Falcon is one of the world's most prolific fighter aircraft. Lockheed Martin delivered about 4,600 F-16s to over 25 countries. More than 3,000 F-16 fighters are currently operational worldwide. The F-16 and the F-15 Eagle were the world's first aircraft able to withstand higher gravitational equivalent forces than the pilots. The Fighting Falcon entered service in 1979. The last of 2,231 F-16 fighters for the U.S. Air Force, USAF, was delivered in March 2005. The first two-seat F-16D version was accepted by the U.S. government in January 2009. F-16 missiles and weapons. The aircraft has 9 hardpoints for weapons payloads, 1 at each wing tip, 3 under each wing, and 1 centerline under the fuselage. The ordnance is launched from Raytheon ALAU-88 launchers, MAU-12 and Oregon bomb ejector racks. The port wing is fitted with a 20mm General Electric M61, a 1 multi-barrel cannon, and the gun sight is interfaced to the cockpit HUD. Air-to-air missiles carried on the F-16 include the Lockheed Martin /Raytheon AIM-9 Sidewinder, Raytheon AMRAAM, Raytheon Sparrow, MBDA, formerly Matra BAE Dynamics, Skyflash and ASRAAM, and the MBDA R550 Magic II. In April 2004, the F-16 first fired the new generation AIM-9X Sidewinder, which is in full-rate production for the USAF. The first guided launch of the new Joint Direct Attack Munition, JDAM, was successfully carried out from an F-16. The F-16 was the first USAF aircraft to be fitted with the Joint Standoff Weapon, JSOW, in April 2000. The F-16 can be fitted with Lockheed Martin Wind-Corrected Munitions Dispenser, WCMD, which provides precision guidance for CBU-87, -89, and 97 cluster munitions. The system corrects for launch transients, ballistic errors, and winds aloft. Targeting the F-16 carries the Lockheed Martin LANTIRON, infrared navigation and targeting system. This is used in conjunction with a BAE Systems holographic display. Block 50 50-seconds aircraft are equipped with a harm targeting system and /ASQ-200 and 13 from Raytheon. U.S. Air National Guard F-16 aircraft are fitted with Northrop Grumman Lightning EI/Lightning ER targeting pods. In August 2001, Lockheed Martin was selected to provide the Sniper XR as the new advanced targeting pod for USAF F-16 and F-15E aircraft. Sniper XR, extended range, incorporates a high-resolution mid-wave FLIR, dual-mode laser, CCD-TV, laser spot tracker, and laser marker combined with advanced image processing algorithms. Deliveries began in March 2003. The F-16 fighters for Oman are equipped with BAE Systems' Advanced Airborne Reconnaissance System, while those for Poland and Morocco are equipped with a Goodrich DB-100 and 10 Reconnaissance Pod. F-16 Block 70 upgrade. The F-16 Block 70/70 seconds is the most advanced F-16 configuration that incorporates new capabilities and structural upgrades to ensure the fighter can operate until at least 2060. The upgrade increases new configuration's structural life by 50% when compared to previous F-16 production standard. The fighter provides a service life of 12,000 hours and offers interoperability with allies. It is equipped with Northrop Grumman's advanced APG-83 AESA radar and a new avionics architecture. The radar provides quicker all-weather targeting, while the enhanced target area detail and digital maps increase the situational awareness of pilots. The Block 70 seconds incorporates the latest technological and software advancements. The capability upgrades include an advanced data link, infrared search and track, IRSD, targeting pod, advanced weapons, precision GPS for improved navigation, an automatic ground collision avoidance system, Auto GCAS. The purpose-built Auto GCAS enhances pilot safety by preventing deadly crashes.